In this video, you'll learn how to effectively write blog posts and articles using Notion AI. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to utilize Notion's artificial intelligence features to enhance your writing process. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. If you already have an account, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the sign up option and following the prompts. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. To start writing a new blog post or article, look for the new page button usually found on the left sidebar. Click on this button to create a fresh document where you can begin your writing. After the new page opens, you will see a blank canvas where you can type. To access Notion AI, look for the option labeled AI in the toolbar above your document. Clicking on this option will open a menu with various AI writing features such as generating ideas, creating outlines, or drafting content. If you want to brainstorm topics, select the Generate Ideas feature. A prompt will appear allowing you to type in keywords or themes related to your blog post. After entering your input, click on Generate and wait a moment for Notion AI to provide you with a list of suggestions. Review the options presented to find inspiration for your writing. For drafting sections of your article, you can use the draft feature. Click on AI again, then select draft content. You will be prompted to specify the main points or sections you wish to cover. Enter your prompts and click Generate. BAI will produce text based on your inputs, which you can then edit and refine according to your style and requirements. As you write, keep in mind the importance of editing your content after generating text. Read through the output to ensure it aligns with your voice and the overall message of your blog post. Notion AI can provide a strong foundation, but your unique touch is essential for engaging readers. Additionally, be aware of your internet speed, as slower connections may result in delays when using AI features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.